Sit down, Mark. Please be calm. The doctor is very good.
I am very scared, Emma. I hate the smell here. My tooth hurts a lot.
I know it hurts, but the doctor can fix it. You are very brave.
I am not brave today. I want to go home. Can we leave now?
No, we cannot leave. You cannot eat or sleep. We must stay here.
Look at those tools. They are very long and sharp. I don't like them.
Don't look at the tools. Look at me, Mark. Everything is okay.
My heart is beating fast. I feel very cold. I need some water.
Here is some water. Drink it slowly. The nurse is calling you now.
Oh no, it is my turn. Please come with me, Emma. Don't leave me.
I am coming with you. I will hold your hand. I am right here.
Thank you, Emma. You are a great friend. Let's go inside.
Walk slowly. Take a deep breath. You are doing well.
The room is very bright. The chair is very big. I am nervous.
Sit in the chair. It is very comfortable, like a big sofa.
It is not a sofa. It is a dental chair. It is scary.
The dentist is coming. She's very friendly. Look, she is smiling.
Hello, doctor. My tooth is very bad. It is on the right.
He is very nervous, doctor. Please be gentle with him. He is scared.
Yes, please be fast. I want to finish quickly. I am ready.
I am standing here. I am not moving. You can close your eyes.
I am closing my eyes now. I am thinking about the beach. It is sunny.
That is a good idea. Think about the sun. Think about the sea.
I can hear a loud noise. What is that machine? Is it a drill?
It is just a small tool. It cleans the tooth. It is not dangerous.
It is very loud. I don't like the sound. My ears hurt now.
The sound is okay. It will stop soon. Just keep breathing, Mark.
I am breathing. I'm trying to stay calm. You are helpful.
The dentist is starting now. Open your mouth wide, like a big lion.
I am ready. Please fix my tooth.
The doctor is looking. She has a small mirror. She is very careful.
Is it a big hole? I feel a hole there. It is very deep.
The doctor says it is small. It is not a disaster. It is easy.
I need an injection. I don't like needles. They are very scary.
The injection helps you. You will feel no pain. It is very fast.
Okay, I am ready. I am closing my eyes tight. Please be quick.
The needle is gone. You are very brave, Mark. It is finished now.
My lip feels funny. It is very big and cold. I cannot feel it.
That is the medicine. It is working well. Now the doctor can work.
I can hear the drill again. It is very close now. I am nervous.
I am holding your hand. I am not letting go. You are doing great.
The doctor is very fast. She is cleaning the tooth now. It is okay.
See? It does not hurt. The medicine is very strong. You are safe.
I can feel some water. The nurse is helping too. They are a team.
Yes, they are professionals. They do this every day. They are experts.
I am not scared now. I'm just bored. How much more time?
Only 10 more minutes. The doctor is putting the filling. It is white.
A white filling? That is good. No one can see it. It is secret.
Yes, it looks like a real tooth. Your smile will be beautiful.
My mouth is very tired. Can I close it now? I am thirsty.
Just 1 more minute. The doctor is polishing the tooth. It is smooth.
I am finished? Can I stand up now? I am very happy.
Not yet. Stay still. The doctor is checking the bite. Is it okay?
Yes, it feels normal. It is not too high. It is perfect.
Great job, Mark. You did it. I am very proud of you.
Thank you, doctor. You are very kind. The pain is gone now.
Let's go to the desk. We need to pay and get a receipt.
I am walking slowly. My legs are like jelly. I am very tired.
You can rest at home. I will make some soup. No hard food today.
No pizza tonight? That is sad. I love pizza very much.
No pizza for 2 days. Your tooth needs rest. Soup is better.
Okay, soup is fine. I want some tomato soup. It is my favorite.
I will buy tomatoes. We can go home now. The car is near.
My mouth is still frozen. I am talking funny. Do I sound strange?
A little bit funny, but it is okay. It will pass in 2 hours.
I must brush my teeth more. 3 times every day. That is my rule.
That is a very good rule. And no more sugar. Sugar is bad for teeth.
No more candy? No more chocolate? That is very difficult, Emma.
Only a little bit. And drink water after candy. That helps a lot.
I will be a green man. Healthy food and clean teeth. I am ready.
You are a new Mark. I like this version. You are very smart.
The bill was not too high. $50 for the filling? That is okay.
It is better than a big surgery. Big surgeries are very expensive.
I want to come back for a checkup in 6 months. I am not scared.
Really? You are very brave now. I am very surprised, Mark.
Yes, the doctor was nice, and you were here. Thank you for that.
You are welcome, Mark. We are a great team. Let's go to the car.
I am driving today. No, wait. My mouth is frozen. You drive, please.
Yes, I will drive. You can sit and relax. Close your eyes.
I am very sleepy now. The stress is gone. I am very relaxed.
Sleep for 20 minutes. I will wake you up. We are almost home.
Don't forget the tomato soup and some soft bread. Thank you, Emma.
I won't forget. We are at the shop now. Stay in the car.
I am staying here. I am watching the birds. They have no teeth.
Birds are lucky. No dentists for them. See you soon.
Goodbye, Emma. See you in 10 minutes. I am a happy man.
You are a funny man, Mark. I am happy for you too. The pain is over.
No more toothache. This is a great day. I love my life.
Let's have a quiet evening. Movies and soup. This is a perfect plan.
Perfect plan, Emma. Let's go home. I am ready for rest.
The doctor needs a photo. It is an X-ray. It shows the inside.
Is it like a camera? Does it use a flash? I am curious.
Yes, it is a special camera. It sees your bones. It sees the roots.
I must wear this jacket. It is very heavy. It is made of lead.
The jacket protects your body. It is for your safety. Stay very still.
I am standing near the wall. The machine is moving. It is very quiet.
Don't move your head, Mark. It takes only 5 seconds. 1, 2, 3.
Is it finished now? I didn't feel anything. That was very fast.
Yes, it is done. Let's look at the screen. The doctor has the photo.
Wow, look at my teeth. They look like white stones. My jaw's big.
Look at this dark spot. That is the problem. The hole is there.
It is near the back. No wonder it hurts. It is a big spot.
The doctor can see everything now. No more secrets. She has a plan.
I like this technology. It is very clear. It helps the doctor.
Yes, it is very modern. We are in good hands. Let's go back.
Can I have this photo? I want to show Toby. He will be surprised.
Toby is a cat, Mark. He doesn't understand X-rays. He likes fish.
You are right, Emma. I am just joking. I am less nervous now.
I am glad you are happy. The X-ray was easy. The rest is easy too.
The doctor is pointing at the screen. She is explaining the work. Listen.
She says the root is healthy. That is very good news. Only the top is bad.
So she doesn't pull the tooth? I can keep my tooth? This is great.
Yes, you keep your tooth. She will only clean it and put a filling.
I am very relieved now. I want to keep my smile. My smile is good.
Your smile is very handsome. I want you to be healthy. Let's start.
I am going back to the chair. I am a brave man. I am ready.
Sit down slowly, Mark. I am right here. I am watching you.
Thank you for your help. I am closing my eyes. See you soon.
See you in a few minutes. The doctor is starting. Be very still.
I am a statue now. I am not moving. Good luck, doctor.
The doctor is working now. She is using a small drill. It is okay.
I hear the buzz sound. It is very loud, but I feel nothing.
The medicine is very good. Your mouth is very numb. Just relax, Mark.
I'm thinking about the park. There are many green trees. I am walking.
That is a perfect dream. The doctor is cleaning the hole. She is fast.
I feel a little vibration. It's not pain. It is just strange.
You are doing very well. The nurse is using the straw. It takes the water.
I want to swallow my saliva, but I cannot move. My mouth is open.
The nurse is helping you. Don't worry about the water. Stay very calm.
The doctor is changing the tool. This one is very small. It is for details.
She is making the hole clean. No more bacteria there. Your tooth will be healthy.
I feel the cold air. The doctor is drying the tooth. It feels fresh.
Now she is using the blue light. It makes the filling hard. It is cool.
I see the blue light. It is like a small laser. This is high tech.
She is very precise. The filling is almost finished. It looks good.
I want to speak now, but I have cotton in mouth. I am silent.
Don't speak yet, Mark. Just a few more seconds. She is polishing the tooth.
I can feel the smooth surface. It feels like my old tooth. This is nice.
The doctor is taking the cotton out. You can close your mouth. Try it.
It feels very good. No more hole there. I am happy.
Bite your teeth together, Mark. Is it comfortable? Do you feel a bump?
No bump at all. It is very smooth. The doctor is a genius.
She is smiling at you. She is happy with the work. You were a good patient.
Can I have a glass of water? My mouth is very dry. I am thirsty.
Here is the water. Rinse your mouth slowly. Don't swallow the water.
I am rinsing now. My tooth feels strong. No more pain at all.
The doctor is giving us a brochure. It is about dental care. We must read it.
I will read every page. I want perfect teeth now. No more drills.
We are finished in this room. Let's stand up slowly. Don't be dizzy.
I am fine, Emma. I feel like a new man. Let's go outside.